who has joined us at the head table. Thank you very much for coming. And at this time, to provide us with an overview of the National Statistical Program, the National Statistical Systems Program, and the rationale behind this conference this is Annette McKenzie, our Deputy Director General at the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. Mrs. McKenzie, thank you.
Madam Chairman, other members of the head table, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and welcome once again to our Public Sector Consultation Workshop. As was said before, this is the first of such meeting, but this is not the last, because this is the beginning of a series of consultation that will take place maybe with all of us or on a one-to-one basis, in which we hope to move forward to develop a plan for a coordinated national statistical system. So why are we here today and why the conference? As you have probably heard, the government of Jamaica, through STATIN and supported by UNDP, has embarked on a process to strengthen our existing national statistical system. And this involves establishing a framework for a coordinated approach to the production of official statistics. How did the process start? Really, it began in 2002, in a sense. An assessment of the operation of STATIN by the IMF was undertaken at the request of our Ministry of Finance and Planning. That was our starting point. This resulted in a series of consultations carried out by STATIN, which culminated in the white paper, Assuring Integrity in National Statistics. The white paper actually outlines the issues facing our national statistical system and has put forward a number of proposals that will effectively address them. As was mentioned before, Jamaica has a wide range of statistical information compiled by a number of ministries, departments, and agencies. And therefore, there really is a number of agencies that are producing official statistics. Among these are STATIN, our National Statistical Office. We have Bank of Jamaica. We have Ministry of Finance and Public Service. We have Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, Ministry of National Security, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So the production, however, the production of such official statistics within these mini agencies is governed by the policy dictates of these respective agencies. And the legislation, and also the legislation that pertain to that particular entity. Now, STATIN is the National Statistical Office, and is by virtue of our Statistics Act responsible for the collection, the compilation, the analysis, and dissemination of statistical information on the social, the economic, and the general conditions and activities of the people. Under the Act, STATIN has also been charged with the responsibility to promote and to develop integrated social and economic statistics pertaining to Jamaica, and to coordinate the programs for the integration of such statistics. The legal and the operational framework to support this activity is clearly not defined in the Statistics Act, and it doesn't presently exist in our system. The absence of a coordinated framework, which has been said before, will hamper and has hampered development in a number of areas. Our social statistics is one example. We also have, for instance, a recent development such as our Vision 2030 Jamaica, which is a development plan for Jamaica. And this plan will drive the need for statistical information to monitor and evaluate the achievements of the plan. But all these production of statistics are being hindered as I said, there's no coordinated framework. And there's a need, because there's a need for us to harmonize our concepts, methodologies, standards, our classification, and even our geographic demarcations, so that our users will have really a mutually consistent set of information that they can use across our national statistical systems. So the governance arrangement of official statistics are very important in the trust in the national statistical system. And such arrangements will vary across countries. You will have your advisory boards, the councils, or the statistical commissions. But they are very important for governance arrangements. They will assist and can assist with providing appropriate guidance to our national statistical system, and will also help to provide cohesion across the national statistical system. The objective of this workshop, therefore, is to explore and identify priority issues in the data production and use as a first step. This will inform the plan for the establishment of a coordinated national statistical system. Other issues that will also be considered will include quality, institutional and capacity building. Specifically, we would like to promote participation and awareness of the urgent need of production and management of a sound system in Jamaica. This workshop therefore seeks to establish a platform for the promotion of an advocacy program for the development of quality official statistics. The outcome of the workshop is that through group discussion, you will all leave with the knowledge gained about the management of a properly coordinated statistical system. There will be knowledge and experience shared on practices and trends towards local, regional, and international coordination and collaboration in improving the quality of official statistics. We will want to have recommendation on the integration of statistical policy and statistics into policy development and planning, as well as the monitoring and evaluation of the national development plans. And importantly, a very specific one, which I just want to make, we really would want as a part of the thing to compile the relevant information of the gap analysis that is needed to understand what is pertaining to our system right now and what is needed to move forward to build a strong statistical system. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.